Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're here on the lake and we're talking about sump pump coverage when it comes to your flood insurance. Are you covered? Are you not covered? Well, we want to talk about that today. We get a lot of questions here at the Flood Insurance Guru when it comes to flooding and sump pumps, especially with all the snow melting in 2019 that happened in areas like Iowa, Nebraska, Minnesota. A lot of people had water in their basements because sump pump failures. So we want to talk about that when it relates to flood insurance. So first of all, let's talk about when flood insurance pays out. Remember, flood insurance pays out in two situations. When a property is inundated with water, that means water comes into the property from outside the home, or 2 acres is flooded. It doesn't have to be your 2 acres, could be 2 acres nearby, or 2 properties, but that water does have to come into that property. Now let's talk about sump pumps. When a sump pump fails, what a sump pump is doing is redirecting that groundwater that's coming up. It might be snow melt that's causing the water table to rise, and so that groundwater is coming up. So the water from that sump pump, or that sump pump fails, the water is not necessarily coming from outside the home, it's coming from underneath. And so in this situation, flood insurance is not going to cover sump pump failure or water that results from a sump pump issue. Now, there might be some kind of coverage that you could get on a home insurance policy specifically for sump pumps, but when it comes to flood insurance, it's not going to cover sump pump damage or failures or water that relates to sump pumps because of where the water is coming from. It's generally groundwater. Flood insurance is only going to cover surface water. So if you've got questions about sump pump, or maybe you've had damage to your basement and you're not sure really what coverage you have, please reach out to us. floodinsuranceguru.com. Go to our YouTube and our Facebook channels, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do daily flood education videos just like this one. You can also go to our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also visit our YouTube and our Facebook channels, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos.